Imagine waking up and driving this, you guys. What a beast. What a beast. So this is what we're gonna be doing today. Yeah.
Get the dash, get that rearview mirror.
Yeah.
Alright, hold on.
Check that guy's YouTube channel out.
Hey. Oh wait, am I getting another shot?
Oh yeah, did I forget to mention we're taking the twin turbo R8 out as well? Oh my god, head-up display. That's so cool. You know, it's really cool the Corvette had this in the C6. You guys probably... Oh wait, time out, I'm getting distracted by a cute doggy. Let me roll down the window. Hello! I don't belong in this thing! Alright, wait, I should turn down the air if I am... How do you do that? Man, you guys are gonna watch me. Okay. Cool. Wait, how do you turn it off? This off button? Cool beans, I got it. That's actually so funny, you guys. You guys are basically gonna see me just struggle to drive this car. Like, I know you drive it normally, like I said earlier, you just drive it, but like, oh my gosh, I didn't even realize. How do you turn the... Oh, it's right here, okay. Whew, I thought it was like one of those like Lamborghini paddles for like, you know, turning like that. See that? Okay, it's normal paddles. Oh, ooh, the paddles feel kind of... Oh, you know what? Actually, I'm gonna have to say the paddles feel a little bit... I don't want to say cheap, but they kind of feel a little cheap. Like, I feel like my steering wheel that I have on the BMW actually are more like, how do you say, heavier. Like, they actually feel like metal. This one kind of feels plasticky. I don't know if it is. It doesn't sound plastic, but maybe they're just trying to save some weight or something. I don't know. So Jeff did say to throw it into Z mode, which is that one, and then everything changes. So you can see right there. All right, one small complaint about this. I think the C6 that I drove yesterday, the wind like noise or whatever. Oh, I gotta get over. Hello. Stop looking at me like that. Oh shit, we're gonna go this way. Okay, never mind. So we're gonna go this way. You guys hear that? I'm so scared. I'm so scared. But anyways, I was gonna say that bro, there's 3 cops right there. You guys see them? Police. I was gonna say that I'm really God, what am I saying? I'm like, hello there. Like, my brain is like everywhere, you guys. Like, holy smokes, what am I thinking right now? Oh, the windows. The C6 window, I think, has better aerodynamics. So if you have the windows rolled down in that car, it doesn't feel, or so you don't feel all the wind and the air rushing into the car. Where this car, it feels like the wind and the noise is like kind of unbearable in a sense. And I think the same thing would happen with the Supra. I don't know if it's unbearable actually. I should probably take that back. I think it's just a little loud. Damn, bro, even the firefighters were giving us waves and like doing peace signs. This is what it feels like to be cool and rich. Guys, more perks of having really nice Corvette and a supercar. The security guard just let us be here. He was like, yeah, it's all good. You guys can have your space up here. All you guys can do whatever you want up here because you have cool cars. Perks of having an R8 show up, I guess, you know. All right, simmer down now, simmer down. My turn. Hey, it worked. That's so cool. Okay, wait. Oh shit. Jeff. Okay, I'm just gonna guess it's right here. Okay, cool. I didn't know how to open the door, guys. I'm sorry. It's like the C6. C6 has this right here, and they have the manual one in case that button doesn't work. But check out these vents. Look how big that is. God damn. All right, wrapped up the day of shooting for him, so we're back in the car. Man, that C8 sounds so nice, you guys. And yeah, I am a little bit more, not as been shocked in this car, so maybe we'll get some good sound clips and stuff with the car as well. See, that is my ultimate dream car, you guys. Like, twin turbo R8, I want a day to drive. Basically, I wasn't even flooring it all the way. Wow. I don't see, the thing is, I think my car makes almost as much power as the Corvette. It might actually make more power as this Corvette, but the fact is, like, how just sporty it is. It's just insane. And I think also the fact that it's not my car also makes it like that much more scary to drive. So yeah, so all these guys are probably like, what the hell is happening? The comment about the paddle shifter feeling like plasticky. It's no longer that. It's more like it's actually just really lightweight aluminum, I think. And then the crispiness of the shifts when you hit the paddles, it's direct shift. It's like there's no delay at all. I think on my my BMW, even though it's tuned out, transmission is tuned out and everything, it is still a little laggy. So. Look at those little headlights on there. So cool.
Supercar burrito!
Yeah, so Jeff took us to go get some burrito, and he put me in the tightest parking spot he could for some supercar training.
Supercar burrito!
I've been scared to step on it this whole time, so I'm gonna give one good rip on it on this turn here. Again, it's not my car. It's way more than I can afford. It's probably more than my net worth. So we're just gonna take it easy, but I'm gonna give it a little bit of beans just on the way out there. Traction control is still on. Yeah, we're not playing with all that stuff, guys. Come on now. But honestly, this car probably would be pretty good with all the traction and stuff. Dude, we got this speed limit and I'm getting scared, man. Oh my gosh. Oh. No. Okay. That's all you guys are gonna get from me. That is all you guys are gonna get from me. I hope the rest of the video is at least fun to watch. But gosh darn it, guys, that was scary. Guys, look at that. Look how clear that is. G80 convertible. Girl's driving it. She gave me the smile. Look. Jeff, I totally just got a girl. Yeah. Okay. Anyways, thanks, Jeff. I'm gonna have to come rent this car out from him more often, I guess. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for today. Again, shout out to Jeff for letting me drive this car. R8's over there. We're headed out. If you guys like this video, see you guys next time. Again, we're gonna be doing this more often, taking out both of the cars and stuff, probably the car meets and all this stuff, whatever Jeff wants to do. He's got this car, that car. He had a Huracan. Most likely will be getting a, oop, it's kind of dark here, huh? Most likely be getting a Huracan again in the near future, so stay tuned for that. If you guys haven't yet, hit the subscribe button for me, hit the like button for me, and if you haven't yet, check out Jeff. Him very much for letting me drive the C8 around. Thank you very much for letting me have the R8 on the channel. I know you guys like that stuff, so peace out. Have a good rest of your day, you guys.